Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is another foundational phonics lesson teaching reading and pronunciation, and today we're going to be looking at the sounds for QU, V, and Z. But first we'll review some of the sounds that we've already learned. So go ahead and make the sounds for each of these letters and then restart the video when you're ready to check.
G, B, O, W, J, Y, X.
All right, now listen and write down these sounds in the order that you hear them, and then I'll play it a second time so you can check your answers.
J, G, X, B, W, Y, O.
All right, this time I'll fill in the answers so you can check.
J, G, X, B, W, Y, O.
All right, now practice sounding out and saying these words, and then listen and check.
T, W, I, N. Twin. D, A, P. Drop. O, I, S, T. List. J, A, M, P. Jump. F, O, X. Flex. M, E, T. Met.
All right, now we're going to learn a couple of new sounds. So here we have the letter Q, and in English, Q is almost always followed by a U. So we already know how to write the U. So here we have the capital Q and the lowercase q, and pay attention to the mouth position. It's kind of a combination between the K and the W. So let's listen.
Qu, qu, qu. Queen. K, W, I, T. Quit.
Right, now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready, listen and check.
K, W, I, T. Quit. K, W, I, O, T. Quilt. K, W, E, S, T. Quest. K, W, z, quiz.
All right, now the V sound. So look at how to write the capital V and the lowercase e. Pay attention to the mouth position, your top teeth. Going to touch your bottom lip to make the V sound. So listen and repeat.
V, v, v. Violin. V, a, n. Van.
Now practice sounding out these words on your own, and then when you're ready, listen to check.
V, a, n. Van. V, e, t. Vet. V, e, s, t. Vest. V, e, n, d. Vend.
Right, and now the Z sounds. Again, we'll look at how to write both the capital Z and the lowercase z. Pay attention to the mouth position, and then listen and repeat.
Z, z, z. Zebra. Z, a, p. Zap. K, w, I, z. Quiz.
Right, now practice sounding out the words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
Z, I, p. Zip. Z, e, n. Zen. Z, I, t. Zit. Z, e, s, t. Zest.
All right, now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready, listen to check.
S, k, w, I, d. Squid. K, w, I, t. Quit. V, a, n. Van. Z, I, p. Zip. V, a, s, t. Vast. Z, I, t. Zit.
Okay, so just wanted to mention there is a mistake on this slide. They said quit, but the word that is shown here is quilt, so I'll report that to have it corrected. Right, again, try to sound out the words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to check your answers.
Z, a, p. zap. S, v, e, n. Sven, v, I, z, I, t. Visit, v, e, t. Vet, k, w, e, s, t. Quest, k, w, I, z. Quiz,
All right, this time you'll listen and write down the words that you hear, and then I'll play it again and fill in the correct answers.
quit, zip, van, vet, zap, squid,
All right, I'll play it again and fill in the answers so you can check.
quit, zip, van, vet, zap, squid.
All right, now look at these sight words. Remember that sight words are words that you can't sound out, you just have to memorize. So follow along and listen.
Have, I, he, high, the.
All right, now you practice reading the sentences and then listen to check your answer.
The squid has a quilt. The van went zip. He went on a vast quest. The vet quit.
All right, now we're going to read the story about Sven and Zap. So look at the pictures, read the sentence, and then listen when you're ready to check.
Sven has a pet squid. Hi, I am Zap. Sven and Zap have a van. Sven and Zap visit the vet.
All right, now practice reading the whole story again, and when you're ready, restart the video to hear the answer.
Sven has a pet squid. Hi, I am Zap. Sven and Zap have a van. Sven and Zap visit the vet.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.